guys, welcome back to Mrozinski Homestead. So today we are actually on our way to go get our meat birds. They're here at the post office. They called and said that they were ready to be picked up. Alright, so we got our chicks. I'm super excited. Look at all them babies. Let's get y'all home and get y'all out of there. Meat birds. Come on, you gotta get up. Mama's got baby chickens. You gonna stay here? Okay, watch cartoons.
Cheese.
Say cheese. Come on, go get the bird.
Ah, Dee.
Alright guys, so here they are, our 40 meat birds. I'm super excited about it. We're going to see how many actually made the transit and get them put away. They need to go into their brooder box and we got to split them up. Let's give these chicks some fresh pine shavings. We're gonna put these in the box. Yeah. Spread it out. Hey Siri, call Gracie Mrozinski on speaker.
Calling Gracie Mrozinski on speaker.
Hey, I need you to bring me the apple cider vinegar out of the pantry in the house. Okay, you gonna hold it for me? Huh? Okay. Hold it. You can grab those 2 red things. Alright guys, so basically we're gonna get their water set up and bring it here, Levi. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm putting apple cider vinegar in their water, and we're gonna let them drink that. And then I also got to get the food. I gotta get their food squared away. Bring it here. Yep. Alright. Feed. Hold on, silly. So yeah, the birds have to be split up. I want 20 on one side, 20 on other, because we put 30 on one side the other a while back, and it was overcrowded.
Mama.
They will two-pack me. You lied. I just wanted you to quit playing with the chickens. Terrorizing them. Alright, you want to go get the camera and bring it in? Hi, babies. Dip them in the water, and you dip them in their food. One. Okay, down. Oh, not going over here. That's what, 10? Mm-hmm. Yeah. That one already went for food. I just put it on there. Yeah. Alright, so trying to save you out of here, bro. There's a peck in there. Don't look at me like that. There's one on the ground. Woo, woo. It can fly. It can't fly. It fell. Wait, your phone. It can fly. You got him? You're good? Yeah. I like that special one. Can't you just call up and ask them which one they sent or what the special one was? No. They don't know. They're not gonna know. Just gotta raise it up. Alright guys, so we actually have 42 birds. They sent us one extra one, which is thank you. So they all survived. They're all doing good. They're moving around. We had 2 of them that fell into the water, so I went ahead and I turned the soft heat lamps on. I did not want the full heat lamp on because it is hot here, and I'm actually sweating because I have a long sleeve shirt on. But it is hot here, so and I actually closed it off so they cannot go out here into this other area just for right now, because I don't want any of them to not eat or not get water. So I just want them all to be healthy and happy. So I'm keeping them safe inside our 2 brooders. We have 21 on one side, 21 on the other, and we're just going to keep our fingers crossed and hope that I can keep all these chickens alive. Thank everyone for watching, and may God bless y'all like He has blessed us. And y'all have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.